Okay, so we got 2 more cars coming out, and that's
What are they
going to race
building?
down
Big
to
block twin turbo
the final
for
4.
this 55 or 57 Chevy. Anyways, ridiculous.
Really? Twin turbo? Great Scott. Come on, boys, get up here.
It's gonna be 1,000 horsepower anyway.
Hey, here they come. I go to a short intermission here with 1 more round. It'll be a 15-minute intermission after the next round, not this one, but the next 2 cars that come out. That'll give us 4 cars as the final. Right now we're running number 13 against number 10. Kevin Musso on the 10. Number 13 is Jordan Balance.
Yeah. Come on, Jordo.
Oh! A little Geo.
Little Geo, we just know Geo.
Geo?
Attaboy. Put her down, put her down, put her down. Put her down. Attaboy. Keep the bottom, keep the bottom, keep the bottom. Put her down, put her down.
Oh, he's trying to take him down to the inside.
Oh, yeah.
Little Geo goes into the final round. That's the final 4.
Who would have
2 more cars.
thought?
The finals. And that'll go right into the intermission. We'll just get these 2 cars out of the way right now.